Hey guys, so it is July 25th, 2023, and here I am drinking my Amare Happy Juice. Once again, I feel completely full of energy, just the right amount of energy that I need. I don't feel tired at all, and I won't feel tired until 10 p.m. tonight. And I feel full of motivation and determination to just go and get things done. And I'm excited for today because I'm going to be doing some more angel card readings. So that's exciting. It really makes me happy to do that. This stuff is absolutely amazing. It does make me feel a bit happier, but I'm also about to go and hang out with the friends. I'm going to have some socialization today, which is going to make me feel better because I find when I'm isolated, I don't feel as good as I do when I'm out socializing. Once again, if you have anything going on with your serotonin or dopamine, I highly, highly recommend this stuff because it's for balancing out the serotonin and dopamine in your gut. And when you balance out the serotonin and dopamine in your gut, you also balance out the serotonin and dopamine in your brain because there's a large connection between your gut and your brain.